So there was this out on Hawthorne in New Sudbury. There was just after St. Charles got out, there was like a whack load of traffic, a line of traffic there going down Hawthorne.
Yeah.
And this lady, she stops before going through the first set of sticks.
Yeah.
And gets out of her vehicle and she starts shaking the stick. You know, I don't know if she's trying to pull it out of there, but she's going like this and people are honking at her, and she was driving a small car, like about that size. Yeah. It was so funny.
You can go forward. Go ahead.
My mom hates those, so she doesn't understand why.
They don't work really. I mean, people get used to the, size.
So, like, I feel like people fast.
Yeah.
Oh
It does
my
slow,
God.
people down, some people down. We're gonna make a right turn at the lights. Got this pedestrian street now. He just has to reach the solid median there. Perfect. Now when you're on the Kingsway here and the roads are like this, you want about a 6-second following distance instead of 3 or 4. Because, earlier today actually it was snow packed. You didn't see any of the pavement at all. And some of the surface was really slippery, so it was easy to lock the brakes up if you have to hit the brakes. It's better to have more distance in front of your car.
Yeah.
And this is good. Nice speed.